Sure, here's a scrambled style script for a YouTube review of the HH-60 Pave Hawk Helicopter 2025, presented without headings and in a natural, engaging tone. So, the HH-60 Pave Hawk 2025, this thing is an absolute beast. At first glance, it doesn't just look military, it looks futuristic, like something right out of a sci-fi film, with the ultra-glossy white finish catching every bit of light. Let's talk design. Sleek lines, a more aerodynamic body, and the unmistakable silhouette. It's still very much a Pave Hawk, but refined. The gloss on the body, that's not just for show. The upgraded coating helps reduce radar signature and even provides better protection against corrosion in extreme environments. Moving inside, wow, the cockpit is something else. Full digital glass interface, multi-screen layout, and enhanced HUD. It's all designed for maximum situational awareness. Everything the pilot needs is within reach, and it's all touch optimized. The controls feel like they were made for both comfort and control during high-stress missions. Performance-wise, this 2025 upgrade isn't playing around. More power from the twin turboshaft engines, improved fuel efficiency, and the enhanced lift capacity. Whether you're hauling personnel or gear, it's faster, more agile, and quieter than any previous model. And yes, the noise reduction is noticeably better. What really stands out is the tech on board. We're talking infrared sensors, night vision compatibility, countermeasure systems, and advanced communications all integrated seamlessly. It's not just a helicopter, it's a flying command center. Safety, top-notch. From auto-stabilizing flight modes to adaptive terrain tracking, this machine was built with mission survivability in mind. And the rear loading ramp, smooth operation with upgraded hydraulics ideal for quick ingress and egress. This isn't just an evolution, it's a statement. The HH-60 Pave Hawk 2025 proves that the future of tactical aviation is already here. Whether in combat, rescue, or special ops, this chopper is ready for anything. If you've seen this thing up close or flown in one, let me know in the comments what stood out the most. And if you're into military tech reviews like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if you want it adapted for voice over pacing or edited for a shorter reel format.